Here's what's crazy. If you want to have better balance, you don't try harder to have better balance. You got to actually try softer to have better balance. Balance is not conscious. You don't try to have good balance. If you do, you will cancel out the automatic reflexes that have to work to have good balance. So, hey, it's me, Andy B, the Dizzy Busy PT, speaking out for all of us who are too busy to be dizzy. And my goal today is just to teach one simple concept on how to improve your balance. If you've battled an inner ear problem that has caused you to have bad balance, most likely you don't need to work harder to have better balance. Most likely you have to actually work less, try softer to have good balance. So here's one of the things that I like to teach. It's the sigh breath. So the sigh breath is a crazy kind of thing. I remember when I first learned it, I was learning Tai Chi, and the instructor was doing this. And I kind of thought he was crazy. It was a little embarrassing. I thought, what in the world is happening here? Am I going to sit through this 12-hour course to learn about Tai Chi and hear this weird kind of breathing? Well, guess what? The sigh breath is one of the scientifically proven ways to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system. If you think about it, animals use the sigh breath. If you've ever had a dog, you see dogs, they sigh and their body relaxes. So we can practice the sigh breath. We're trying to get balance to go back to the unconscious. So we don't want to focus on our balance. We want to relax, get in a corner somewhere, put a chair in front of you, get safe so you can chill out and not have to think about your balance. And here are a few things you can do to practice the sigh. It's kind of an airy breath. It's not all the way breathing out through your mouth. You're giving a little bit of resistance. I tell people it's kind of what we did when our mothers would ask us to clean our rooms. It's like, I don't want to clean my room. When I was a kid, I was like, come on, Mom. Geez, I don't want to clean my room. So it's that. It's kind of a, but what you want to do is get a nice deep breath. And I use a few Tai Chi moves. One is called open and close. So I hold my hands like this and I imagine magnets pulling my hands together, and I'm pulling them apart with that kind of resistance. And then I flip the magnets and they want to try to repel one another, and I push them together from my stomach. So that's So that might seem a little bizarre. I had to practice this for many, many, many weeks and months, but some of my most relaxing times have come through my sigh breathing practice. There's some other things I'm going to show you soon, but I just wanted to introduce this idea of the fact that we cannot try harder to have good balance. You have to try softer, and you can't just tell your brain, stop trying to have balance. It doesn't work. The second you say that, you're going to keep trying. So you've got to work on shifting your focus, and focusing on proper breathing is one of the best ways. And why not learn how to breathe in a way that stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system? Because if you're feeling off balance, your fight, flight, freeze response is going to be on, causing you to be tight and not be able to allow your natural reflexes to take place. So we're trying to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, get the conscious to go back to unconscious with balance. If you like this video, please subscribe, please share, please like it, and make some comments. Have you tried this? What works for you? How have you improved with your balance? All right, join me next time so we can go and spin no more.